We are saying, sir, only obi wo ho na sese woni ne nye free biom. Yenkogina bonten enkoka neoma a woni ne yeye. It's a sign of respect and maturity, but it's quite unfortunate. Essential for the ye adwuma. Agenda nso na mu. Coach Ogum ena ene the former colleague ano ne wo Kotoko, Abdulai Gazali ena wako granting interview or reveal so much about Coach Ogum de enyem fa no ho. Ha adwen pa na obi busa say nti Abdulai Gazali Coach Ogum da chi bi obetimi ne na sa akoye adwuma because mu nyina mu ye young coaches are blaster adwuma akwanya betima ba na wakokeka sansem we afa no ho no da chi bi nipa no obetimi ne na akoye adwuma na say mu ho ahwan coaching course amukoi ekina mukohia ha mu betimi ne na ahia sa enye fine but ne nsem a waka no ebi ano ehye pa cheche mu say so no correct Kotoko players na Ogum adwa inti okoka che na mponsa se ontimi ne ntoa so kra biom e no kra ka ho bi ntina ono no ogya adwuma a okofa junior team nsem bebre ne nsem no wa ha wo de ma mempoto mam o say initially Ogum never doubted my capabilities, but at a point some of the players told me that anytime we are training and I correct a mistake in them, Ogum poster doesn't look good. The player no could konkonsa. The senior players told me this, but I told them that I have not been observing that. Remember that I had worked with some of the players under Maxwell Smith and Barreto, and that they were used to me. Tama Ogumba Fufrono. Also, it went on for a long time and finally noticed it. It came to a point that if the coach and the other assistants are planning the training program, they will not even allow me to see what is going on. Not just was it senior players they can say, "Sir, o correct your mo na Ogumedwa." So and it got to a time after no coach no ohuye. So also from then I called for a meeting with Nanaya Mponsa that I want to step down and I don't want to be part of the team anymore. Nanaya Mponsa declined my request and it still continued. Before Ogum could tell Nanaya Mponsa that he can't work with me anymore, I had already stopped going to the training. We or say Ogache Nanaya Mponsa say untimi ento aso nya adwuma ni biom because Ogum de oye no sa or planning training kra na or ne other assistants no yina ma nti ono no ekokan ze na nana aka ze ono no sa request we the onjintum but Ogum ono asa call nana aka ze Gazale no ontimi ne no anya adwuma biem na wabekika sansem we nyina afa Ogum but bibuza ze coach Gazale adwuma bia ne nsensem mu but enya obia na adwuma mu nsensem o de betena abonten only Ogum nya sa encounter experience where I think say you keep it to yourself and ebia only share that be a matrasi issue out and your radio so and any TV so because adwuma no mo betima sa ko share o baby foforo advice I made me ma coach Abdulai Gazali no and say obi e bash Ogum enim say agenda bebre na mu to paint Ogum black and answer for ne ade but master e ma obi nyusu yo